Have you ever thought of using a knot to tie your beautiful head wrap? I know you don't know, so I'll be lecturing you on that now. Let me start by saying you need your material, a desired material that you want to use to tie this. Then you are going to give it a knot. Like I said, we are using knot to achieve a beautiful head wrap. After knotting it down, you're going to place it on your head like this, and you see any one out of the two knots I made, I'm going to dip my hand into it and bring out the other one from that hole gently. Once it is being pulled out, we're going to move to the next step. If you already feel that the knot it is firm on your head, you can say the back is going to be closed up. Use your office pin to secure. Now we're coming back to the front gently like this. Make sure you adjust it till you feel it is firm on your head. Now the excess you have is going to be stretched out gently like this, and what you'll be needing right here is a pin to tack it down right there. Once that is done, you go to the other side and repeat the same process. Grab the edge down and pin with another pin. Now we have the two flap remaining at the top, and we're going to use our hand to adjust unnecessary part. Fold a bit in for both sides and grab the edge at the top with another pin. I'm going to grab it twice to make it well secured and looking good. Now it's time for me to use my hand to adjust the necessary parts and make it look so perfect. I'm going to shift backward, and that is the end of this beautiful head wrap. It's just the back that I'm trying to adjust so that it will be neat as the front. You can see that now I am done, and guess what, we just created a beautiful head wrap using two knots. Are you clear?